Hello everyone, welcome to Kidsybitsy by Jitashi. Today I'll be making this beautiful card for New Year. So this I made with watercolor and marker and white gel pen. So let's get started with the process. Thank you. Hello kids, welcome to Kidsybitsy by Jitashi. So let's get started with the process. Today I am making some really super easy card for New Year, and for this I am using watercolors, and the card is super easy to make, which you can give to your friends, family, your teachers, anybody. And for that I'm using Canson paper 300 GSM, some watercolors, yes, and one white gel pen. So that is the only stuff which I am using. So first I am giving rough coat, which is for that I am using really lighter shades. Post that, once it is dry, then I'll use the second coat of the color to define it further. As I said, it's super easy, so you can make it in just 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna make it in 5 minutes only. Second coat now. I think I want one more circle, and for that I'm taking orange shade. Yes, I use second one here. And we want one holder here, so that it will look like lights. We will attach all these lights to this. If you want to use sketch pen here, you can use that even. I'm using watercolor because I have black in my palette, so I'm using that one. Yes, and this is done. What I forgot to tell you, that you will need the black sketch pen as well, or the black gel pen. So we'll wait once it's get dried.
Few moments later.
I guess my green is already dried, so I can do detailing on the green first. Yeah, so be careful. What happened to my white color? It's not quite white gel pen, it's not working. super easy, but they look really beautiful. I'm making some random designs on this. Whatever you want to draw, you can make. So I'm randomly doing some scribbling on it. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know that you are having fun with us. And if you want us to cover any specific topic, let us know in the comment section. We will cover those topics in our upcoming videos. Hit subscribe button so that you will keep on getting updates from us whenever we are uploading a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you.